Ooh, how was teaching last night?
Oh, it was great. Yeah, you get to say stuff like, hey, the bell doesn't dismiss you. I dismiss you.
Nice.
I don't know. Wait, Isabella. Don't just dismiss this so fast. I mean, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
Yeah, for you.
You get to say stuff like, hey, the bell doesn't dismiss you. I dismiss you.
Nice.
Not till Monday. Then I move to dismiss.
Hey, Ross? I just ran into Caitlin in the hallway.
In English vocabulary, we will learn the word dismiss. It means to direct an assembly of persons, to disperse or go. I dismiss the class early. Also means to bid or allow a person to go, give permission or a request to depart. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce dismiss, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to mis. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how dismiss is used in real life.
Not till Monday. Then I move to dismiss.
Don't just dismiss this so fast. I mean,
Hey, the bell doesn't dismiss you. I dismiss you. Hey, the bell doesn't dismiss you. I dismiss you.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.